Hello friends, this is my second video on direct proportion. Those who have not watched my first video, I shall advise them to watch the first video and then come to this. Otherwise, you will not understand. Okay, let us solve one more problem. NCERT page number 206. Let us read the question. A train is moving at a uniform speed of 75 km per hour. Let us try to understand what does it mean. Here it is given uniform speed. Means if a train is moving 80 kilometers per hour, then it is moving at the same speed. Its speed does not vary. Okay, now what is the meaning of this 75 kilometers per hour? If the distance is 75, what is the time taken? Hour is 1. It means 75 kilometers per hour. That is in 1 hour it covers 75 kilometers. Okay, let us read what we have to find out. How far will it travel in 20 minutes? It means that 20 minutes is given. We have to find out the distance traveled. Okay, so I shall write first. Let x kilometer. Why kilometer? Why not centimeter? Why not meter? Here it is given 75 kilometers. So I shall write x kilometer. Let x kilometer be the distance covered in 20 minutes. Okay. Next, read the next question. Find the time required to cover a distance of 250 kilometers. Here, distance is given. We have to find out the time. So I shall write y. Y. What is y? Y means time required to cover. Now, y second, minute, hour. What is that? Here it is written hour. So I shall write y hour be the time required, okay, to cover a distance of 250 kilometers. Now let us tabulate this information as earlier. Okay friends, let us tabulate this. Here I have written distance traveled in kilometer, time taken in minutes. Okay, here earlier I had told that 75 kilometers. Okay, so I have written distance traveled 75 kilometers. Hour is 1 hour. But here I have written minutes. Here 20 minutes is given. So I have written minutes. So I shall convert 1 hour into minutes. So I shall multiply it by 60. So it will be 60 minutes. Okay, it is clear? Now, what I have written earlier, let x be the distance traveled. So I have written here x and in 20 minutes. Time is given. So I have written 20. Clear? Again, distance is given 250 kilometers. So I shall write distance traveled 250 and I have written y hour be the time required. So I shall write it here y. Okay. Now, since it is in direct proportion, why it is direct proportion? Because speed is uniform. See, the speed is uniform, so it is in direct proportion. Now I shall apply this formula. What is that? X1 by y1. That is 75 by 60 is equal to x by 20. Okay. Now I shall cross multiplication. So you know I told earlier that 60 into x. So 60 into x is equal to 75 into 20 means x is equal to 75 into 20 divided by 60. So if you cross reduce it, you will get 25. Okay. So time. So the train will move 25 kilometers because here distance travel is x. So train will move 25 kilometers in 20 minutes. Clear? Okay. Now let us solve this. We have to find out y. Here the same principle I shall apply. What is that? 75 by 60 is equal to 250 by y. If you cross multiply, then you will get y or y is equal to how much? 250 into 60 divided by 75. If you reduce it, you will get 200 minutes. So you get time taken in minutes. So it is 200 minutes. You can convert this minutes into hour. What will do? You have to divide by 60. So it will be 200 divided by 60 hour. If you divide it, it will be 3, 180, what is the remaining? 20. So it is 3 hours 20 minutes. Okay, so this is your answer. But don't stop it here. Earlier I have told that you have to write it 3 hours 20 minutes is required to cover a distance of 250 kilometers. Okay? Okay friends, let us try to solve one more problem, page number 207 of NCERT books. Okay, before that I want to say one thing. If you want to search my video, you just type best tuition on the URL, you will find it. Okay, read the question. The scale of a map is given as 1:3 into 10 to the power 7. You count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is 1:3 into 10 to the power 7. Now what does it mean? It means that if actual distance between two cities is 3 into 10 to the power 7, then how you will depict on the map? You cannot write 3 into 10 to the power 7 centimeter. We assume that it is 1. So map distance will be between two cities will be how much? 1 centimeter. Clear? This is the meaning of 1:3 into 10 to the power 7. Okay. Now let us read the second line. Two cities are 4 centimeters apart. Where? Actually it's just no, on the map. You read it here on the map. So here two cities are there. Their distance is 4 centimeters on the map. What you have to find out? Find out this is a map distance. Okay? This is the map distance. You have to find out the actual distance. So we have to find out the actual distance is question. Okay? Now first of all, what you will write? Find the actual distance between them. So I shall write let x. What is the unit? Write it centimeter. Let x centimeter be the actual distance between two cities. Okay? Now let us tabulate this information on the table. Okay. So I have tabulated this information, what is given here. Here I have written map distance and actual distance. Okay, both are in centimeter. I have told that 1:3 into 10 to the power 7. 1 is the map distance and 3 into 10 to the power 7 is the actual distance. So I have written actual distance 3 into 10 to the power 7. Now find the actual distance between them. Let x centimeter be the actual distance between two cities. So actual distance between two cities is x centimeter and 4 centimeter is the distance between two cities on the map. So map distance is 4 centimeter. Now the same thing you have to repeat one. What is that? x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2. I apply this again. So it is 1 by 3 into 10 to the power 7 is equal to 4 by x. Cross multiply, or x is equal to 4 into 3 into 10 to the power 7. Okay, so you get 12 into 10 to the power 7. What is the unit? Centimeter. So actual distance is 12 into 10 to the power 7 centimeter. But it is looking what? We have to convert it in kilometer. Okay. So by how much we have to divide it? Let us see. So we are going to convert this centimeter into kilometer. By how much we have to divide this? Let us see. You know that you have to memorize this. Milli, centi, deci, meter, deca, hecto, kilo. 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter, 10 centimeter is equal to 1 decimeter, like this way. Now you are in centimeter here. So you are here. You have to come here. So you have to come from this to this. Okay. So how much 10 is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you shall write 10 to the power 5 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. So we have to divide this by 10 to the power 5. Okay. 12 into 10 to the power 7 divided by 10 to the power how much? 10 to the power 5. So it will be 12 into 10 to the power 2. In division, power is reduced. I am giving one example for your, okay, you will get the answer. Okay, this is kilometer. Now, how it comes? Let us see. Okay. In division, suppose 4 divided by 2. Everybody knows it is 2. I am writing in a different fashion. Laws of indices. We can write 4 is equal to 2 square divided by 2. Power is 1. In division, what will happen? You have to deduce or deduct the power. So it is 2 square minus 1 is equal to 2. So it is equal to 2. One more I am giving an example. Okay. Suppose it is 27 by 3. We can write, everybody knows it is 9 answer. So I shall write 3 to the power 3. Means 3 into 3 into 3. 27. Okay. Now divided by 3. This is equal to 3. 3 power is 1. I shall reduce 1. In division, power will be reduced. Okay. So you will get it 3 square is equal to 9. In this way, we got this answer. Okay, friends. Let us try to solve one more question from the exercise 13.1 of NCERT. Okay. One more thing I want to say. If you want to search my video, you go to this best tuition. Then you will get this video. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe. Okay. Now let us read the questions. A mixture of paint is prepared by mixing 1 part of red pigments with 8 parts of base. Let us try to understand what does it mean. You want to make a paint. What are the requirements? You have to mix red pigment. How much? 1 part. Okay? With 8 parts of base. So base is required 8 parts. If you mix this one, you will get paint. Clear? The first one is clear. Now, in the following table, find the parts of base need to be added. So what you will write first, let x1 or y1, whatever you, okay, no problem. If write it x1, no problem. If x1, x2, x3, x4 be the parts of base required to with the parts of red pigments to get the paint. Okay, so we have written this one. Now one more question is that for more red pigments, the parts of base will be more. Here you see that 8 parts, 1 part. Again, so these are in direct proportion. For more red pigment, the parts of base will be more, and hence these are in direct proportion. Now the same thing, 1 by 8 is equal to how much? 4 by x1. Solve it. x1 is equal to 32. Like this way, x2 will be, let us solve. 4 by x1 or 1 by 8 is equal to 7 by x2. Okay? Means x2 is equal to 56. Like this way, you can solve. x3 is equal to 96. x4 is equal to 160. Okay, friends. I think your concept is clear. Now, go to this exercise and try to solve. If there is any problem, you may mail to me. In the last video, I have given my mail address. I am repeating once more. Pradeep, that is not gap, at the rate of gmail.com. Okay. One more thing. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe so that notification will reach to you. So like it, subscribe it. Okay, everybody, good night.